beautiful 4th of July morning, and I'm fishing, as usual. But what you're about to see is real, 100% real. Be prepared. If you're squeamish, you might want to turn the channel now, because what you are about to see, it's big and it's scary. So I'm fishing, catching some catfish as usual. There's a nice little bullhead. I guess people eat these things. I just like to catch them. They're the stars of my show, you know. People say, why don't you eat some of those fish? And I say, what? Those are my guest stars. You know, guest star. It's a long fish. Crap, that other rod's getting a bite. Good fishing here on St. John's. It's right up on top of the water. Oh, bite it again. Ah, there you go. Tighten up that drag a little bit. Yeah, he's still on there. Alright. That's a lot bigger than the other one. Another bullhead. Bullheads in this river get up to 20 pounds, believe it or not. When they get big like that, it's hard to distinguish them between channel cat and one of these, I guess they call it a white bullhead. Alright, what's that magic word? What's that? Contact. Oh yeah, you know it. Contact. Contact. No. Well, one of these days, one of them's going to fly. I spin their propeller and I give them a lift in the air. Alright, here it comes, people. Be prepared. It's big. It's scary. Alright, so this rod went down. Speaking of down, I was down in the cabin. I'm going to give it a little tweak, and I think, whoa, yeah, I'll come out, because that's a whopper. That is definitely a whopper. Look at that thing bend that little willow rod. Actually, it's fiberglass. It's a feather light. I don't know if they make them any smaller and wimpier than this, but hey, this rod has caught some big fish, believe it or not, and it's about to catch a monster. Look at that thing fight. Yeah, I think I got a real good sized catfish on there. People, it's not. Get ready. Holy cow. Get that thing thrashing down there. Oh my God, it's a oh my gosh, it's a oh, nasty. Nasty, nasty. Oh no. Here it comes again. Bye-bye. I really had no idea those things get that big. That thing was well over 6 pounds. Alright, let's check the bait on this one. So that was a monster. Believe me, I've never seen one that big. Freshwater eel. People say they're delicious. I don't know. I'm afraid to touch them. I don't even want it wrapping around my arm. Ooh.